sense, man.
What's up, dudes? This is the Lockpicking Lebowski, and today we're going to make a Kwikset key checker thinger. Got the idea from brother J Meeks over on his YouTube channel. I will post a link to his video in the description. He made a deadbolt version, and we are going to be making a padlock version. I do some volunteering, and there's a school teacher that I was volunteering for. She's having issues with her Kwikset smart key deadbolt on her mom's house, and I just want to check her keys to make sure her keys are good, even though we know those locks can be problematic. But I first want to give a shout out to brother J Meeks for sending me the supplies to make this key checker thinger, and he also sent me all kinds of good stuff, so thank you so much. Sent me these stickers, Lock Force Assemble. This guy here. What's up, y'all? Do you even pick, bro? Like that one there. Glitter. What's up, y'all? Got the professor here. Lock Force. It's a real nice, man. I really appreciate it. Sometimes you just got to ask yourself, what would Walker do? And keychain, poker chip, and some buttons. So again, thank you so much. I can't thank you enough for your generosity, your kindness for doing this. And he sent me the pins and the wafers. They are wafer thin to be able to do this project. So let's get started. This is a large format interchangeable core master lock Kwikset version. So as you can see, this is not flattened or anything like that. We're going to make a 6-pin version. I've never tried to speed up parts of a YouTube video before, but I might on this one. I'm not really sure. But in the meantime, we're just going to go ahead and get started. For the bottom, for the key pins, you want to use, see if I can do this without dumping these. You want to use the Kwikset 171 key pin size for the bottom pins. There are the key pins. So I'm going to go ahead and drop these in. Hopefully I can do this fairly quickly. Like I say, I might actually fast forward this part. I'm not real sure. Probably not. I just really didn't want to make this video like super long, but you know what? It might be. So, and then you want to take this size wafer, the 0.024 thousandths, and you want to put 5 wafers above each key pin. So that's what we're going to do. And like I say, I don't know if I'm going to fast forward this part of the video or not. Probably just going to leave it in there. I really don't know. I've never really tried to do much special editing on my channel. It's been basically just bare bones, straight shot stuff, and you know, one go. Never really do any more than one take. I will say this too, while I'm putting these in here, I think there is a possibility, if you jam the key in and out of there really quick, I don't know, there might be a possibility that these wafers could get sort of twisted up inside there. I can't remember what the size is. I think there's a fairly thin size of master wafer that is not recommended in some situations because of that. I just can't remember what it is. as far as the brand or what that was about, but I remember seeing something about that years ago. There's 1, 2, 3. There's Quattro, and we will do Cinco. And then number 3 will be done. Okay. Next, moving on to number 4. Hope I'm not losing these. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3. 4. And 5. Okay, moving on to chamber number 5. Let's try that again. I know I don't have very good tweezers for this. These are just the tweezers I happen to use, but they're not really necessarily working that well for this application, but this is what we got, so that's what we're going to do. Hope I got the right amount in there. I think I did. I think we've got 5 left here. Okay, chamber number 6. There's 1, 2, 3. And then after we're done, we're going to check some keys. I just have some really janky just keys that have been from other projects, and I don't know, they're just sort of miscellaneous. Okay, so there we go. We've got that done. Okay, let's get this filled. Alright, we're going to go backward here. We're going to go number 4. Now, as far as the driver pins, I don't know. I think you could probably go a little shorter with these. These might be a little bit long, but they're fine. They work. Number 4. Okay, there's number 5. And number 6. Then we'll do 3, 2, and 1 and be done with this part. Groovy. That part's done. Right? So, probably don't have to shim this, but I'm going to anyway. I just like to make sure things go smoothly. All right, I don't think I'm forgetting anything. All right. Okay, pull out that shim. It's on the side. All right, groovy. Now we're gonna put this C-clip back on. Goes on the top here like so. Good. And then this guy. Let's see. I believe he goes on like so. Right. And then this guy goes on like that. And then this goes on like that. Right. Then this is going to go in here. I'm going to drop this guy down inside here. Use our hex. Screw that in there. Get him tightened up a little bit. Let's make sure this turns. Yeah, I think that's going to be. Just want to make sure that works. Not like you couldn't pick it open, but yeah. Okay. Great. We're going to get this out of the way. All those pins, all that. Now, we're going to try these keys. I've no idea. This thing looks pretty crappy. What is this? Gatehouse. Maybe it's good though. I don't know. Let's try it. We're going to try 7 keys here. That one actually works okay. Alright. Now we're going to try a KW1. Ooh, that one doesn't work at all. How about that? Try this next one. This is Kwikset brand. That one works fine. All right. Let's try this one. This is another Kwikset. That one actually works too. That's, you can feel it's. That's actually okay. That's okay. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Which direction are we going here? I think we're going this way. I thought maybe. I go backward the other way here. Yeah, that one's good. That one's real nice. That's good. That's interesting how that one did not work though. Yeah, I got out of order here, but anyhow, that's going to help me check her keys and make sure they're good. I have one favor to ask. If anybody knows how to reach Legend of the Samurai, I have a working Sergeant Greenleaf 8088. This is not it. This is one that I got off eBay that does not have a combination. And I want to make the same rig to decode it that Legend of the Samurai uses in his video. If anybody knows how to reach him, will you please let me know? I'd like to get the specs of the rig he made and create the same rig. I'm drawing up the plans now, but I'd really prefer to have the measurements and stuff like that. So anyhow, that is my version of the key checker thinger. And big thanks again to Brother J Meeks for making this possible. Again, I will put a link to his video in the subscription. And big Lebowski's paged me, so I gotta go. I'll see you all next time.